How best to start your stay in Jinja other than by eating these things? By the way, they are nice. So in today's video, we are going to drive through Jinja town. So basically, it's not that big, and that this is how it looks like. If you are a visitor or if you have never driven through Jinja, then this video will show you how Jinja looks like. I like it. By then there are a lot of border borders. I think it's like Kakamega in Kenya. Yeah, there are a lot of border borders, but the good thing is that okay, they overtake, but it's not that much. And then we also have this just vehicles, a lot of them, and this was on an evening. Maybe that's why you will see some dim lighting, but all through the same. This is Jinja Town, and I hope that you'll enjoy this drive. Please stay around. I'll put some music for you, and then I'll see you at the end of the video. Thank you for watching. If you're new, please subscribe, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for watching this video. My Ugandan people, please subscribe and share this video, and God bless you so much.
impossible.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Got a buildup of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away.
So we ended our drive here out the Nile River, and this is bungee jumping into the Nile, and me, I couldn't try it. So I hope that you have enjoyed the video, and I hope that you have seen how beautiful Jinja town is. So if you are ever in Jinja, then this is something that you can do. So also tell me, what are those white things in the water? I don't know if it's dirt or I don't know what it is. But yeah, overall I loved my stay in Jinja, and see you in my next video on to the next place that we'll go to. Bye.